Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. And this one is about, well, I am getting my porch ready for the fall and winter weather. You see that tree there? I have two. One there and one here. And when I got these trees, they were itty bitty. They were so small that I bought them at Lowe's for $4.98. Teeny tiny. I've had them for over a year. This will be the second year for these. And they've done fairly well. Mind you, I took a trip to the Bahamas, and for that whole week, during the scorching sun, they did not get watered one bit. But I did overwater them before I left. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but hey, it is what it is. I knew it was going to be in the 90s and very humid. So the day before I left, I soaked these babies. I mean, I really soaked them. But I know within 2 days, the soil was just moist and not dry. But you see this? Dry. Dry. It's been a week since I watered them. So what I'm about to do, I got me some, let me see if you guys can see that, some flower and vegetable garden soil plus fertilizer. It's supposed to be really terrific. Let me see what, stay green. And I bought this bag. I'm trying to see the weight on the bag. I bought it from Lowe's and it ran me about $8. Can you see a weight on there? I don't know if you guys can see what the weight is on there. I will let you know later. I know it's, you see a weight on there that says how much is in there?
It says 56,063 L and 51.42 dry QT. It's 2 CU feet.
Oh, no, it should say how many pounds.
It doesn't say LBS, but it just says
Yeah.
L.
It is about 8 pounds because I can barely lift it. I haven't lifted. I had my grandson lift it. Lift this up so I can, I'm going to, since this has grown considerably, can you see that? It needs more soil. Now, when I first got this tree, that was enough for it. Like I said, they were teeny tiny, and yeah, they were teeny tiny. And they sure did blossom. So, without further ado, we're going to dump some soil in there. And I'm just using an old Arby's cup. And we're just going to dump soil. Can you lift it and just pour it?
Mm-hmm.
My grandson is such a help. I can't lift. Not healed yet. Dump it, dump it.
Dump it.
Yeah, dump a lot.
You're not doing it enough.
Go ahead, do some more.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, pull back. Okay, I need some more in there.
Some more?
Yeah. I need some more. Give me some more. I need some more. Do it over this way.
Excuse me.
See my grandson? He's 12. His name is Izaiah, and he's a big help to his nana. Don't break the tree now.
Won't break it.
Pull back a little bit.
Go back.
Okay. Go ahead. Put that little bit that's in the front there. Okay. Ooh, that's all right. It's just a porch. We can clean it up. Now we are going to do this. Get that rich soil all around there.
Want me to water it?
We're going to do the same for this tree over here. Okay. Let's get that.
I'm gonna pull back.
Hold on. Pull back a little bit so I can see.
Come here.
Get that. Okay. Yeah. That's some rich soil. Okay, that's enough. That's some rich soil there. Yeah. That's really nice. Really nice. Let me pull back so you guys can see. Okay. See that? Let me take you guys over here to see this one. I think this one needs a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah. Because the roots and stuff have grown considerably. And that's why there's some like drying just right in there.
Okay.